welcome to my class, and today I am going to teach you the chapter number 2 from your grammar section, that is noun phrases. And today in this video we will study phrase, we will know about noun phrases, we will study pre-modifiers, we will also study post-modifiers, and then at last in the end of this video we will know at what position the noun phrases are used. So here first of all we will know about phrase. Examine the underlined part of the following sentences. Early to bed is a good maxim. He hopes to win the first prize. So here you can see early to bed, it is a group of words. It makes a sense, but it does not make a complete sense because it doesn't have the subject, verb and predicate in it like a sentence. Similarly, to win the first prize, right? It also makes a sense but not a complete sense. Like this, a group of words that makes a sense but not a complete sense is called a phrase. Mind it, a group of words which makes a sense like early to bed, to win the first prize, but not a complete sense. It cannot stand alone like a sentence, so it is a phrase, right? So now examine the following sentences. The boy wants something. Here the boy is a subject, wants is the main verb and something is the object, and noun, right? Object of the verb wants. You can see the second sentence, the boy wants to play cricket. Again the boy is the subject, wants is the main verb, to play cricket is the object to verb wants. Like this in the sentence 1, the word something is a noun and it is the object of the verb wants. Similarly, the group of words to play is the object of the verb wants in the sentence 2, it is the noun phrase, right? So it is a group of words and used as the noun, it does the work of a noun, so therefore it is a noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words with the noun as the main word of the phrase. You can see cricket is the noun, it is the main word, right? A noun phrase is a group of words that does the work of a noun. In other words, we can understand the definition of the noun phrase. It is a group of words and does the work of a noun. As we know, noun can be used as the subject of the verb, object of the verb, object to the preposition, right? Object to the or complement of the subject, okay? It can be also used as the noun in apposition. That we will learn after that, after some time. Okay. So there may be some more words. In a noun phrase, apart from the noun, these words are known as modifiers. Modifiers give additional information about the noun. There are two kinds of modifier. Modifier modifies a noun in the noun phrase. It provides us some more information about a noun in a noun phrase in the sentence. They are two in number. Pre-modifiers. Pre-modifier means words placed before the noun. The words which are placed before the noun are known as pre-modifiers. And post-modifiers are the words placed after the noun to modify it. So now we will study pre-modifiers. Pre-modifiers, a noun phrase can also include determiner. Determiners, articles. It may have a or an and the. Possessive adjectives. It may have possessive adjectives like my, your, his, her, its and their. Demonstratives or demonstrative determiners, this, that, these, those. This, that used for single or singular noun with singular nouns, these, that these and those used for plural nouns or with plural nouns. This, the and these show nearness, while on the other hand that and those shows distance. These cars are very expensive. Here these cars is the noun phrase, but these has been used as pre-modifier of the noun car. The other one is quantifier. Even this quantifier is the part of determiners, but I have written here separately. Quantifiers denote measuring words for countable nouns such as a few, many, several, a lot of, and other words used with uncountable nouns such as a small quantity of, a large sum of, a huge amount of, a large quantity of. He had kept a lot of cars. A lot of cars. So a lot of is quantifier and it is used as pre-modifier of the noun cars, right? The other one is numbers. As we know, there are two numbers, cardinals and ordinals. A cardinal denotes how many, such as 1, 2, 3. A cardinal tells about the number of the things, right, or persons. Ordinals show the sequence or order, right? These are the words that indicate order or sequence, such as first, second, third, fourth, last, next, further, etc. His brother owns 2 cars. So here cars, noun to is used, has been used as pre-modifiers, right? The fourth one is adjectives. If a noun phrase has only an adjective and a noun, the adjective must be placed before the noun. Suppose if there are only 2 words, one is adjective and other is noun, so this adjective is used before the noun as a pre-modifier. He loves old cars. Old is an adjective and cars noun. So like these words placed before the noun in a noun phrase are known as pre-modifiers, right? Now we will know the order of these pre-modifiers. They should be used in this order: determiners and quantifiers, then number, then adjective or plus noun. If there are many words in the noun phrase, so their sequence should be like this: determiners and quantifiers, numbers, adjective plus noun. The is determiner, 7 number, old and adjective and beggars noun. The 7 old beggars. Determiner, young, adjective, children or young children. A lot of. Quantifier, or it is telling us about quantity of something. New, adjective and cars. So a lot of new cars. All those 7 old beggars. Beggars noun. So all those 7 old beggars is the pre-modifier of the noun phrase. Some, quantity, right? Young players. So young is an adjective, players noun. So this is the modifier. Some young is a modifier. My, determiner. First, number, ordinal number. New, an adjective. Bike is the noun. So my first new is a pre-modifier of noun bike. Okay. Now we will know about post modifiers. Now we will study post modifiers. Post modifiers are the words placed after the noun in a noun phrase. Okay. Post modifiers can be, first one is prepositional phrases, right? A preposition requires an object to complete its meaning. Therefore, a prepositional or preposition phrase has a preposition as its main word followed by its object. You can see the cow under the tree is mine. The cow, the is a determiner, cow is the noun, cow is the noun. Under the tree, under is the preposition, the tree is the object to preposition under. So the under the tree is the post modifier of the noun cow. Okay. Similarly, The boy in the blue shirt is a good boxer. The is determiner, boy is a noun, in the blue shirt is the post modifier of the noun boy. In is a preposition and the blue shirt is the object to preposition in. Okay. Gerund phrase. The next one is, second one is gerund phrase. A gerund phrase is a phrase that starts with a gerund ing. It is also known as verb noun because it is formed by adding ing to the main verb. Okay, as it acts as a noun in a sentence and modifies the noun which it follows. Here you can see the man is standing over there is my uncle. The man, the is determiner, man is a noun. Here standing over there is a post modifier of noun man. Standing is a gerund, right? Similarly, the boy talking to Roman is his friend. The is a determiner, boy is a noun, talking is a gerund. Okay, so talking to Roman is modifying the noun boy and it is the post modifier of noun boy, right? The other one is, third one is relative clauses. Relative clauses also used as the post modifier in the noun phrase, like words like, relative pronouns like who, which, that, when and where. Who is used for persons, which is used for things and animals, that is used for persons and things both, when is used for time and where is used for place. A clause that is attached to an antecedent by a relative pronoun is known as relative clause. So the word which comes before this relative clause is known as its antecedent. The man who we met yesterday was a doctor. So the man is the antecedent of who we met yesterday. So we have to choose these relative pronouns according to the antecedent. Suppose the man, as we know that for persons we use who, so that's why who is there. Okay, and who we met yesterday is the post modifier of the noun man. Similarly, this is the house that Jack built. That relative pronoun and house is the antecedent of it. Okay, so that Jack built is the modifier, post modifier of the noun house, right? The next one is that clauses. These are very common after nouns like idea, fact, belief and suggestion. Like this is, he is still very fit in spite of the fact that he is over 80. That he is over 80 is the post modifier of the noun, the fact. Similarly, there was a suggestion that the children should be sent home. Okay, a suggestion is a noun and that the children should be sent home is the post modifier of this suggestion. So sometimes we also use as the post modifier of a noun or noun clause, that is that clauses. Next one is to infinitive. An infinitive phrase starts with to plus first form of the verb that acts as a noun and modifies a noun, right? So he has got no delicious dish to eat. So here dish is a noun and to eat is the post modifier of this noun dish. Similarly, he does not have a book to read. A book is a noun and to read is modifying it as it has been used as post modifier of the noun book. Note these are very common after indefinite pronouns and adverbs. You should take something to read. To read is modifying here this something pronoun, indefinite pronoun something. Similarly, I need somewhere to sleep. So somewhere is an adverb. To sleep is a post modifier of it, and it is a noun phrase, right? The next one is adverbs. Sometimes adverbs can also act as post modifiers in a noun phrase. Examine the noun phrase in the following sentences. The way out is not yet clear. The is a determiner, way is a noun, out is an adverb. So it is a post modifier of this noun way. Similarly, the theater there will open tomorrow. So the is a determiner, theater is a noun, there is an adverb, right? So this there will open tomorrow is modifying the noun theater, and it has been used here as a post modifier, right? Now we will know at what position these noun phrases are used. So first one is the subject of the verb. These books are mine. You can see these books is a noun phrase, right? So it is the subject of the verb are. The other one is object of the verb. I like these books. I is the subject, like is a verb, and these books is a noun phrase, right? The third one is as an object of the preposition, right? So this noun phrase is also, or noun is also used as the object of the preposition. He lives in a big house. So he is the subject, lives is the verb, in is the preposition, a big house is the noun phrase, and it is the object of the preposition in. The fourth and last one is as the complement of the subject. Kohli is my favorite cricketer, right? So my favorite cricketer is the complement of the subject Kohli. The complement means if something is required to complete the sentence, that is known as complement of in the sentence, right? So here if I say Kohli is, the sentence is not complete, sense is not complete. So therefore my favorite cricketer is the complement of the subject Kohli, right? I hope you will understand this video and this lesson as well. Thank you so much.